What is up, guys? It is March 30th, and we got some pretty good lightning action right now. Look at this. And this is only the beginning of it. This is going to be a big storm, lightning storm, severe thunderstorm warning right now. 1-inch hail. Insane lightning storm probably on the way. Just the main threats are going to be the lightning, of course, and hail and wind gusts up to like 70 miles per hour with the storm, but it's just going to be mainly lightning. Wow. Holy crap. This is it. This is insane. Holy. Bang out. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's here now. Wow. It's like northwest. Just lighting up the sky. Hopefully I got that. Wow. The real show is gonna begin now. Holy. Oh my god, this is insane. Wow. Wow. Oh, did I get that? I really hope I got that. That's a cloud to ground strike. It's right in front here. Oh, that was big. There it goes. That's the thunder. That was right across there. Freaking insane. Perfect, just bolt. More just cloud lightning. Oh, it's getting windy. Oh, that one was just over there. Oh, wow. It's to the east now. Oh my god, it's east now. Oh! Dang. Assuming this is the rain again. This could be the hail behind it. Because usually the lightning's off to the front of the storm, and then the hail and the strong, heavy rain is the last part. Big lightning strike I'm predicting about to hit. When it goes calm, usually it's the atmosphere charging up. Like over here. Kaboom. Well, today was pretty unexpected. I didn't think there's gonna be this good of storms. It's coming down now. But yeah, I mean, I think the lightning's moving off. It's just gonna be heavy rain now. There's still lightning to the east, but it's hard to get from the east. But I think for the rest of the day here, it's just gonna be heavy rain the rest of the night, and then some strong winds. So that's probably that for now. Actually, it is starting to really come down. Oh, I'm starting to get wet. Yeah, I'm thinking that's probably that for now, but tomorrow, level 2 out of 5 risk. This could be a long 2-part video because I just got so much footage in the last 30 minutes of strong lightning. Like, this is insane. So, yeah, it's downpouring now. Good sleeping weather, so see you guys in part 2, hopefully.